In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a JPG or PNG image into AutoCAD, and we'll do this in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're working on a technical drawing, blueprint, or any design, knowing how to effectively insert images can enhance your work and add an extra layer of visualization to your projects. To get started, open your AutoCAD project where you want the image to be inserted. Once you have your project open, turn your attention to the command line, which is typically located at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll need to type in either insert or image attach. These commands help inform AutoCAD that you're ready to bring an image into your workspace. After typing one of those commands, make sure to hit enter on your keyboard. Now, a new window will pop up, allowing you to browse through your computer's files. This is your opportunity to find the image you'd like to insert. Navigate through your directories and find that JPG or PNG file you've decided to use. Once you've located the file, click on it to highlight your selection and then click the Open button to proceed. With the image ready to insert, you're now presented with the option to specify the insertion point. This step is crucial because it determines where exactly on your drawing the image will appear. You can either click directly on your drawing area to set this point visually, or if you're more inclined to work with precision, you can type in specific coordinates on the command line. After setting the point of insertion, you'll be prompted to adjust the scale of your image. This basically means deciding how large or small you want the image to appear in relation to your existing drawing. You can either manually adjust the scale by dragging the image or type in a specific numerical value for precision scaling. Alongside this, you have the option to define the rotation angle. If you want the image to align exactly as it appears, simply enter 0. However, if a specific angle is preferred, enter that value accordingly. Finally, once you've made your adjustments and confirmed your settings, press enter one last time. This action finalizes the placement, committing the image to your project, and there you have it. You have successfully inserted an image into AutoCAD, adding a valuable element to your design. This skill not only contributes to better visual storytelling, but also helps incorporate real-world imagery into your technical drawings. With practice, this process will become second nature, enhancing your AutoCAD projects significantly. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!